So you would have probably have just watched my video on the lights in the car. I'll show you actually. There's some of the other repairs and stuff and work we've done the holidays. Obviously, I fixed the glove box lid that was hanging off by removing the pins that hold the hinges on without like unclipping it from them, because that's how it gets broken. And then we drilled a hole just here and put a cable tie through, so it then like clamps the hinge back together, and then you can put the pin through the hole without it falling out. So yeah, that's now all fixed on there. And then it's just the paints work that I did today that was also the stuff I need to do on holidays. It's not quite finished yet. We need to do some polishing and that tomorrow. But yeah, the holiday I've fitted those lights, fixed the glove box. I'm gonna probably have to fix the boot lid switch now because it's decided to stop working. Even though I sprayed it with WD-40 and it worked for a bit, but now it's still not working. You press the button and the mechanism doesn't bother opening the door. Whilst we were at it, we also took the number plate off and put some more orange tape around the front. So let's just go around. Just sprayed a bit here. There's a funny mark there though. As you can see, the press it and nothing happens. And then go round. Just here, and oh look, the scratches have gone. It's all the same paintwork now. You can just see some of the, oh yeah, I forgot to put that funny coating on that's still on there. It's still got a bit where you can see the new paint, but it'll be fine. I've just put some coating on the black and stuff and tyres to make it look better. Got this third line here that goes under the number plate. The bin's in the way a bit here, but so I had to take that off and run it through there, so that finishes off the grill now. And then just noticed that I've got a bit of paint on that bit, but who cares? We did on there. We also clear sealed around the aerial and around the boot seal stuff to doubly make sure that it's not going to leak any more than it was doing before, because of in heavy rain it still leaked a bit. There's another bit we painted. So yeah, that's about it.